Make sure safety is the top priority for the project. Not only must your roofers work in safety, but employees and pedestrians in and around the building must be protected from falling tools or hazards. Let's think about injury to workers first. Notice all of the activity on the roof. Falling is the #1 cause of worker injury in the roofing business. Look at the clothing worn by the roofers. It's a pretty warm day, but they've chosen to protect themselves from the sun with long sleeves and hats. Make sure actions are taken to prevent dehydration and heat stroke. Other possible injuries to workers include electrocution, pinning, ladder accidents, falling objects, and toxic materials. Now let's think about damage to the building or to third parties. Move the mouse over the work area, showing the material that protects the building from water infiltration. Inclement weather during the project presents the opportunity for building damage. Use of equipment can also damage the building. Mouse over to the trees along the edge of the roof. Notice how much traffic is going on in the streets adjacent to the building. Increased traffic congestion in and around the worksite, plus the movement of equipment in and around the worksite, presents the opportunity for accidents. Look over all of the materials located on top of the roof. These could fall to the ground or cause a trip hazard to workers. Another common problem is fumes from adhesives. Pay close attention to how these items are used and stored. Mouse over the scene one more time and see if you can come up with any other potential hazards on this worksite. Thanks for watching!